Okay, so this is my wagon. So we're gonna try taking it down. Then we're gonna see if we can hold it for 5 minutes. Then after that, we're gonna see if we can like shake it and see if it sinks. The wagon floats. Doesn't look like we're getting any leakage. I'm just gonna put the string in. The wagon is floating. I don't see any leakage.
Now why don't you make it a raucous river?
To fix the wheels. I wonder if it counts at the top that's wet, because the top's really
Well, that's rain, yeah.
It's not going down. Oops. Like, unless I pull it down, that's even hard. I can't really pull it down. And it doesn't look like we're getting any leakage. I'm just gonna shove it down in there. Yep, nothing.
Okay. And so we'll, I think, turn off the video and see if it floats for 5 minutes. Tris, what did you do to make it float for so long?
I taped it a lot. And that's basically what we did. We just taped it.
Okay. Do you have
Tape and tape and tape.
anything else to say before I shut this off?
It was hard making. It was fun. You should do it.